Most people fail at budgeting, not because they lack discipline, but because they're using a system that was never designed for the way we actually live. Today, I'm going to show you the one budgeting method that changes everything. No complicated spreadsheets, no deprivation, just a simple system that actually works. I'm Reid, and this is Wealth Unlocked. Here's why most budgets fall apart within the first 2 weeks. They're too rigid, they don't account for real life, and they make you feel guilty every time you spend money on something you enjoy. A budget shouldn't feel like a punishment, it should feel like a plan, and there's a massive difference between those two things. The method I'm talking about is called the 50-30-20 rule, and it's beautifully simple. You split every dollar you earn into just 3 categories. 50% goes to your needs, 30% goes to your wants, 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. That's it. 3 buckets. Every dollar has a home, every month on autopilot. So what counts as a need? Rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation to work, insurance, minimum debt payments, the things you absolutely cannot live or function without. If 50% of your income doesn't cover your needs right now, that's your first signal that something needs to change. Either your income needs to go up or your fixed costs need to come down. Now the 30%, your wants. This is where most budgets get it wrong. They eliminate wants entirely, and that's exactly why people quit. Wants are dining out, subscriptions, hobbies, shopping, entertainment, the things that make life enjoyable. You're allowed to spend on what you love, as long as it stays within 30%. This is the category that keeps your budget sustainable long term. And the final 20%, savings and debt repayment. This is where your future gets built. This covers your emergency fund first. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved, then your retirement contributions, then any extra debt payments above the minimum, then investing in that exact order, every single month, non-negotiable. Let me make this real for you. Say you take home $4,000 a month. $2,000 covers your needs. Rent, food, bills, transport, done. $1,200 is yours to enjoy. Dinners, subscriptions, weekend plans, no guilt. $800 goes straight to your future. Emergency fund, retirement, paying down debt, $4,000 in, every dollar accounted for, no stress, no guessing, no guilt. So how do you start right now? Step 1, calculate your actual monthly take-home income. Step 2, list every single expense you had last month, everyone. Step 3, sort them into needs, wants, and savings. Step 4, see where you stand against the 50/30/20 targets. Step 5, adjust. Trim where needed. Automate your savings so it happens before you can spend it. One afternoon, that's all it takes to set this up. The 50/30/20 rule won't make you rich overnight, but it will stop the bleeding. It will give every dollar a purpose, and it will build the foundation that every other financial goal sits on top of. Start simple, stay consistent, and watch what happens in 90 days. In the next video, we're answering the question everyone wants to know the answer to. I have $1,000. Where should I actually put it? Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video. It really helps the channel. See you next time.